Are unengaged subscribers killing your email deliverability and costing your e-commerce brands thousands in sales? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a sunset unengaged flow on Klaviyo that helps you clean your lists, boost your open rates, and improve email performance. My name is Mark and I'm the founder at House Digital, an e-commerce agency that's helped brands generate millions in revenue by optimizing their email marketing strategies. We use this exact flow strategy to help brands like Sunday School, Wrench Science, and Airport Tag claim lost revenue while improving their overall email health. So whether you're struggling with low engagement or just wanting to optimize your Klaviyo setup, stick around because I'm going to give you all the steps and some pro tips right now. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more e-commerce and marketing tips, and let's dive in. Let's start with why this flow is critical for your e-commerce brand. In email marketing, managing a healthy and engaged subscriber list is critical for success. Unengaged subscribers, those who haven't opened or clicked your emails in a while, can negatively impact your email deliverability, sender reputation, overall campaign performance, and by not addressing unengaged contacts, you risk lower open rates, higher bounce rates, and increased costs since you'll be paying for more email sends to people who aren't even engaging. So, implementing a sunset unengaged flow helps you re-engage inactive subscribers or gracefully remove them from your list, ensuring your email marketing remains effective and efficient. Let's start with why the sunset flow is critical for your e-commerce brand. Did you know that unengaged subscribers can drag your whole email deliverability down? Platforms like Gmail and Yahoo track how people interact with your emails. If a large portion of your list isn't opening or clicking, your sender reputation takes a hit. This means even your most engaged subscribers might stop seeing your emails in their inbox. By setting up a sunset unengaged flow, you're not just cleaning your list, you're improving your overall email health, boosting your open rates, and ensuring your messages actually land where they're supposed to be, in front of the customers who care. For context, we implement this exact strategy for clients at House Digital and has led to as much as a 20% improvement in open rates. So let's jump into a screen share to see how we can set this up yourself. So here I have a demo account. First, you want to define your sunset criteria. You want to go to Klaviyo and define what is unengaged for you in your industry. So let's go to lists and segments, and we want to create new and go to segment. Then we want to create an unengaged subscriber list. Then we want to create an unengaged subscriber segment. Then for the condition, we can do subscribers who haven't opened or clicked email in the last 60 to 90 days. And really this range depends on your sender frequency and also your industry norms. Someone who's buying a consumable product probably will purchase more and more active on your site compared to a brand who is selling large ticket items that probably is looking to buy maybe every 6 months or a year. So now let's create a new segment for unengaged users. First, we want to set up a segment in Klaviyo. We want to show people who hasn't clicked or opened email in the last 90 days or have not been active or placed orders in the last 90 days. So this is the definition you want to set up. If someone can receive email marketing and has clicked email 0 times in the last 90 days and has opened email 0 times in the last 90 days and active on site 0 times in the last 90 days, and when someone has placed orders 0 times in the last 90 days. So that is our definition for an unengaged user. Step 3 is actually to build the sunset flow. So what you want to do is navigate to flows, create a new flow, and create the sunset flow. So here we can use the default sunset unengaged subscribers. So the trigger for this is we'll use our unengaged subscriber segment as the flow trigger. Step 4, now that we have our sunset flow, it's time to add the content into the email. So here's the content for the very first email. We're offering 20% off the next purchase using the code welcome back. We're acknowledging that they haven't been around, they haven't been opening our emails, haven't been clicking or active on our website. We offered them a chance to change their subscriber preferences and then also offer them a way to unsubscribe quickly. So for the second email of the sunset flow, this is your subject line, and then you can use something like this as a preview text. Read last email, 5 days left. And then for the content, again, similar to the first email, we're offering them a way to unsubscribe or, change their subscriber preference. And then again, we're giving them that 20% discount that we offered them in the first email. And then once someone goes through this whole flow without opening an email, clicking an email, active on site, or placing an order, 5 days later, the profile property will update and then it'll create an unengaged as true, meaning that profile will be unengaged. And that now that we have a new property on the profile, we can honestly just remove them as a subscriber. So once they pass through the flow, their profile property will update and create a property in their profile that says they're unengaged as true. This will allow us to create a segment, convert it to the list, and then ultimately remove them from the profiles. So you won't be paying for these profiles, saving you money on your Klaviyo plan. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a sunset unengaged flow in Klaviyo. If you're serious about growing your e-commerce brand, optimizing your email flow is one of the best places to start. A clean list means better deliverability, higher open rates, and ultimately more revenue. So now you have 3 options. You can let this be another video that you watch without taking any action, or you can set up this flow yourself and use the steps I've shared, or you can take your email marketing to the next level and let me and my team help you at Dallas Digital. We specialize in helping brands like yours generate more revenue from email and SMS marketing, and we'll love to audit your Klaviyo setup for free. We specialize in helping brands like yours generate more revenue from email and SMS marketing, and we'll love to help audit your Klaviyo setup for free. So click the link in the description to book your free audit, and we'll cover everything from deliverability, campaign, flow strategy, everything you need to get more revenue from email marketing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any of your questions, and I'll see you in the next video.